Kablaaw kada kayo amin, siya ni Bea Alop, your Miss Ilocano Defenders 2021, natangag nga mga representa iti ayatek nga probinsya, Pangasinan. Social issues are those that concern the society, and the change of these issues are the only way to solve them. There are many social issues in our country that create disturbance in the smooth life of every citizen. One of the social issues in our country is poverty. Poverty is one of those major social issues yet to be resolved in our country. Poverty is a state in the life where the basic needs of a person cannot be fulfilled with their income. The unemployment and lack of education can be the major reason behind these social issues. Social issues like poverty can be solved only through introducing other schemes like free education, better employment opportunities, and others. These social issues can only be solved through mutual efforts of the people and greater schemes introduced by the government. If these social issues can be resolved correctly or even get reduced, it will directly show the result on the development of the nation and thus the development of each citizen's lifestyle. Solution to social issues can only be provided by educating and creating awareness among people about the evil effects of the existing social issues.
Tirigat ket intay malabanan no si tayo ket determinado. Napigsa ti pakinakem, nagaget, adda pamati ti bagbagi, ken pamati iti Dios.
Maminsan manen, siya ni Bea Alop, your Miss Ilocano Defenders 2021, agbiag Pangasinan.